Hello and welcome once again. This is Honestypays. It's a pleasure meeting you here once again. The first thing we're talking about is how to edit text, right? How to edit text before posting it on your WhatsApp status. You click here. This is the status, and so many pictures and text from people will be shown here, right? Let me show you mine. So I have this here. Every penny saved is a penny earned. You won't be financially secure all the time unless you are wise enough to spend wisely. Spending wisely is an art in itself. This is one of the texts I posted on my status just few hours ago. That was yesterday, right? Good. So how can you also do that? I will teach you. I am teaching you how to type text, edit text, and post it on your WhatsApp status. So at this session, you click the pencil here and then you type whatever that you want to post. So let me post something. Okay, so I have this text here. You see it has been edited. Yeah, there are some symbols on your keyboard that as soon as you type them, automatically the text will change. Okay, let's look at 2 or 3 of them. So let's take it as you want to italize your text. You bring your cursor to the front of the text, okay, before the text. Then you click this symbol. You see this symbol? I don't know, it looks like the dash symbol. You bring it here and then you bring another one here to the end. It will be changed. Okay, you see it has been italicized. Okay, you can also do the same. Bring it in front, bring it at the back, it will be italicized. Okay, now let's take it as you don't want the italic, you don't want to italize your text, you want it to be bold. Okay, you use this symbol on your key. It doesn't matter, whatever keyboard that you are using, you can still use it. So you type the star, you see it has changed. You can also do the same thing here, star, and then star. You see it has changed, right? We have several ways of editing it. Now let's take it as you don't want to use this feature. Maybe the keyboard you are using is disturbing you, so you don't find it easy getting the symbols, right? But you still want to edit your text. How are you going to do that? Just tap, okay, tap the text and then highlight it. You tap it, you move your hand, it will be highlighted. Now you'll be given the options here. WhatsApp automatically gives you the options here to select from them. You can use it to cut, copy, paste, bold, italic, strike through, mono space, and then share. So if you want to bold it, you click on bold. As simple as that. If you don't want to bold it, but you want to make it, you want to italize it, just highlight it. Now you have the privilege to do whatever you want to do to the text. You click the 3 dots, click italic. Have you seen it? Sure. Let's move on to the next one. Let's take it as you don't want bold, you don't want italic, but you want a different feature, right? Click the 3 dots, strike through. Oh, you see, everything is cancelled. I've shown you. Right. Okay. So you don't want this one too. We have other feature there. Just highlight it, click the 3 dots, and then monospace. You see the font has changed. Looks like there is some spaces in between and the text has been changed. Have you seen it? These are all features granted by WhatsApp. Now let's take it as you don't want any of these features, but you want to change the background. You see the color that I'm using, the background color for this text that I'm using. You don't like it, you want to use a different one. You see the symbol here, just click on it. The color will change. Another one will come. Another one will come. Another one. So if you reach the color that you love, then you're good to go. Right, so let me choose my color. Let me give you this color. Black. Great. Now the next thing to do is, let's take it as you don't want this type of font. You want a different type. Okay, just click the symbol here looking like T, right? Click it, changed. Click it, changed. Click it, different one. Have you seen it? Yes, so you can be using these tools to edit your text before posting them on your WhatsApp status. The last one to talk about is using the emojis or the stickers. Click. After that, you see that there are so many stickers here, right? So many stickers here. You can scroll through and choose the one you want. Yeah. Let's take it as I don't like. I want to add something here. Wow. You see it? Let's take it as I want to add something here. Wow. So you can be using a whole bunch of stickers and emojis, right? Let's take it as you don't want to use stickers, no emojis, you want to use GIFs. Yeah, so it is not only the text that you can be editing or the emojis that you can be adding, but you can also add GIFs, right? WhatsApp has this nice feature for you. Just click that same symbol, then you see we have so many stickers, emojis and stuffs, right? They are all there for you. You can add them to your whatever text that you type, or you don't want them but you want GIFs. Check this bottom here, you see GIF. Click on it. You see we have so many GIFs, right? So let's take it as I want to add this GIF. You click it, right? Yeah. Now this one will come under the GIF. Right? Do you see it? So if you are sending it to your status, you can now do it. If I don't want that one, go back. Which one should I choose? Let me choose this one. You see it now? So you can be adding that. You can add a whole lot of things to your text and then others before you send it. So these are some of the tips and tricks how to edit your text, add emojis, add GIFs.